Hey people, Jay here and welcome. We're cleaning my air fryer today. So I have had this air fryer for a couple of years and it was time to clean it. Step 1. Clean out all the food that is inside of the air fryer. Step 2. Place the air fryer in the sink and spray with Dawn's Power Spray. Wait a few minutes, clean with a damp towel, rinse, and dry. This area of the air fryer can get pretty greasy and dirty if you go a long time without cleaning this area. Step 3. Spray the heating element with Dawn and wipe down. Use the toothbrush if you have to get a deeper clean. Use cotton swabs to get into tighter spaces. Never immerse the air fryer in water. Try and clean your air fryer after every use or at least once a month for a deeper clean. Before use again, wait overnight. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. I hope that you are inspired to do some cleaning with your air fryer today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one.